Hey guys, in this video I will show you how export or backup Minecraft worlds on mobile. Alright, so let's begin. This method works on both Android and iOS and can be used whether your game is stored in application storage or external storage. Before getting started, you'll need a file manager app. On Android, you can use a file explorer such as CX File Explorer. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, you can use a file management application like Documents or another file manager of your choice. Then you have to go to this website and download the button Unhider. Simply click on this skip to download. Then you have to click on this link. After that, click on download and then click on this link again and you are all set. Once everything is ready, open your file manager. The first thing you should do is create a dedicated folder where your exported Minecraft worlds will be stored. You can create this folder in your downloads directory or anywhere else that's easy to access. Open the menu, choose the option to create a new folder and give it any name you like. This folder will serve as the location where your world backups are saved. After creating the folder, return to your downloads directory and open the export tool. Launch Minecraft and select the world that you want to back up. Open the world settings if necessary and make sure the required resources are enabled. Once everything is ready, enter the world. After loading into the world, pause the game and open the settings menu. Scroll down through the options until you find the export template feature near the bottom of the settings list. Select this option and choose the folder you created earlier as the destination for the exported world. Confirm the save location and allow Minecraft to export the world. Once the export process is complete, leave the world and return to your file manager. Navigate to the backup folder you created earlier. Inside, you'll find the exported world file. To make the backup easier to import later, press and hold the file, choose rename and change its extension to MC World. Confirm the change when prompted. Your Minecraft world is now safely backed up. Whenever you want to restore the world, simply tap the MC World file and choose Minecraft. The game will automatically import the world and make it available in your worlds list. If you continue making progress in that world, it's a good idea to repeat this backup process regularly. Creating updated backups ensures you always have a recent version of your world available in case something goes wrong. For additional protection, many players prefer switching their Minecraft storage location to external storage. This provides another way to access world files directly if a future update or add-on causes issues with the standard export method. If you are using external storage, you can manually locate your Minecraft worlds through your file manager. Open the main storage directory, navigate to the Android folder, then data, and locate the Minecraft application folder. From there, open the files directory and continue until you reach the Minecraft worlds folder. Inside this folder, you'll see directories containing all of your saved worlds. If you're unsure which folder belongs to which world, open the level name.txt file inside a world folder to view its name. Once you've identified the world you want to back up, select its folder and copy or move it to another location for safekeeping. When you're ready to import a manually backed up world, compress the world folder into a single archive file. After creating the archive, rename the file by replacing the zip extension with MC World. Once the extension has been changed, simply tap the file and Minecraft will automatically import it. Backing up your worlds regularly is extremely important. Losing a world after spending hours or even months building in it can be frustrating. By keeping backups stored in a separate folder, you'll always have a copy ready to restore whenever needed, and that's it. This is how you can export or backup Minecraft worlds on mobile. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.